Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you can buy smart and live smarter. Today, we're diving into a robotic showdown, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, which we'll call Eufy, against the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, aka Shark. Let's find out which one will win the title of Ultimate Clean Machine. Ready? Let's roll! First up, let's talk about the price. Eufy comes in at a sweet $249. That's like 2 weeks of avocado toast and lattes, folks. Meanwhile, Shark is strutting in at a whopping $599. That's almost the price of a decent used car. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, Eufy might be your new best friend. Reviewers appreciate Eufy's affordability and find it to be a great value for its price. On the other hand, Shark's higher price tag includes advanced features that many users find worth the investment. Next, let's talk suction power. Eufy's got some impressive BoostIQ technology, which sounds like something Iron Man would have. Reviewers note that it effectively picks up dirt and dust on low-pile carpet and tile flooring. But Shark's got incredible suction that picks up dirt like a vacuum on steroids. It's like comparing a friendly neighborhood Spider-Man to the Hulk. No contest here. Shark takes the crown for raw power, especially praised for its effectiveness on hard floors. Now, onto cleaning coverage and navigation. Eufy is like that reliable friend who always shows up but doesn't always know where to go. It's got infrared sensors and drop sensing tech, which is great. However, reviews mention it can get stuck and may not cover every area efficiently. Shark, on the other hand, has matrix clean and 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's like having Neo from the Matrix cleaning your floors. Reviewers love Shark's precise mapping and cleaning coverage, ensuring no dirt survives. Shark's cleaning in a precision matrix grid definitely makes it the Keanu Reeves of robot vacuums. Let's talk about the dirty work, emptying the vacuum. Eufy makes you do the work. It's like having a friend who borrows your car and returns it with an empty tank. Reviewers note that while it's easy to maintain, it does require regular manual emptying. But Shark empties itself into a base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It's like having a robot butler who also takes out the trash. Reviewers love this feature, finding it incredibly convenient despite the noise. Sorry, Eufy, but Shark's got this one in the bag. Literally. Pet owners, this one's for you. Eufy does a solid job at picking up pet fur, dirt, and dust, making it a budget-friendly option for pet owners. However, reviewers mention it lacks advanced features like a self-cleaning brush roll, which can result in hair wrap. Shark, on the other hand, is the pet hair terminator. With its self-cleaning brush roll and powerful suction, it's engineered to pick up more hair and avoid the dreaded hair wrap. If you've got fur babies, Shark's the way to go. It's like having a robotic pet nanny. Finally, let's talk about voice control and smart features. Eufy comes with a remote control, which is great if you're nostalgic for the 90s. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity, but note the lack of advanced smart features. But Shark is living in 2023. You can control it with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Hey Shark, clean my floors. And voila, it's done. Reviewers find Shark's smart capabilities and app control to be extremely convenient, making it feel like having your own personal Jarvis from Iron Man. Shark, you win again. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is praised for its affordability, durability, and solid cleaning performance, especially on low-pile carpets and tiles. However, it lacks advanced navigation features and requires manual emptying. On the other hand, The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum receives high marks for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and self-emptying feature. It is particularly recommended for homes with hard floors and pets, though it comes with a higher price tag and some app functionality limitations. So there you have it, smart buyers. If you're on a budget and need a reliable clean, eufy is your go-to buddy. But if you want a powerhouse with all the bells and whistles, one that practically cleans, empties, and navigates itself, Shark is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep buying smart and living smarter. Product links are in the description.